So guys, yes, today is 30th of March. The time is almost 9:10 now. So in this video, I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, now let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market page. So here we can see the Nifty 50 has opened at 0.82% up. That is at 17,468.15. Advanced stocks are 46, declines are only 3, and unchanged is 1 stock. So you can see here the market is opening in a bit of a gap up section. So let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is Hero MotoCorp with 1.78% up and HDFC Bank with 1.39% up. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is ONGC with 4.68% down and Intelco with 1.47% down. So yes, this is how the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. So guys, you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. There's a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. And also every day I do upload the live trades what I do. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So I guess I just placed the sell order in JSW Steel around 742 now. You know, the movement was very quick in this stock. Actually, I wanted to place this around 744 or 743, but suddenly the stock performed very quickly due to the volatility, and we were able to short around 742. So expecting like at least 1% of movement here. You know, yesterday in my video what I did and market analysis for today, you can go into my channel and watch it. So yesterday itself I said you that JSW is in resistance level. Okay, so yes, I saw it in a resistance level, and also the market is also down now. The market opened like 0.80% up and now it's trading at 0.42%. So almost 0.4% down the market is. And even the stock, I saw it was at a resistance level, so that's why I just short sold now. So expecting at least a 1% from here movement. So let's see. So currently at 738, and also we can expect a high volatile move also from this. The market is 0.39% down now. So 737, yes, we almost reaching 1% target here, if you guys can see. So let's see guys, planning to book like 5 to 6 points target and exit soon. So this will be a quick trade for today is what I'm feeling, because the stock is almost 2% down right now. So let's see how this will perform. Okay, so we have short sold the JSW Steel. So guys, says 738 new low, waiting for that to give a breakout. So let's see. So once the 738 gives a breakout, we can see a good movement, and you can see how quickly it's bouncing up there from 738 to 739. I think there's a key support over there, but it's okay. We'll wait for it. Even the market is 0.41% up right now, so just waiting for that 738 to give a breakout. So once it gives a breakout, you can quickly see it may at 735 easily. So yes, 737, 736, 736.75. Yes, as you guys saw it, there was a very quick movement in this stock today. Okay, so yes, I should take my exit now somewhere around here. So let's see if it can touch in 735. So 737 back to the level. So guys, yes, I shall take my exit now quickly, and I'll just update you guys once I take my exit. Yes, as you guys can see, the stock did come down very quickly, and also yesterday in my video also I said, like, for today this stock will be in a resistance level. So according to that, I just short sold and we booked the profit. So it almost came like 8 to 9 points down here, somewhere around there, from 743 to 735. Now the low made is almost 734.25. So I was able to book almost like 1%, like let's say 6 points, and I took my exit. So it's still continuing to fall down, but anyway, by being safe, I took my exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of JSW Steel. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading. So you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.